What's going on, guys? Gary Amon here, back at it again with a new video. This video is just a quick unboxing and first impression of this lens right here, the Samyang aka Rokinon 75mm F1.8 for your full frame E-mount Sony camera. Anyways, very excited because this is very cheap actually. It cost me only 333 bucks or euros. My apologies. So let's open it up together. So very affordable, and assuming as marketed by Samyang, this is tiny but mighty. Tiny but mighty, like Mighty Mouse. Right, that's it. I really like that they always have that kind of little pouch or case, which is always cool, man. I really like it. So here it is. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh. Ooh. Let's put that aside. Right. Oh, I didn't know it had a little customizable button here. Mode 1, mode 2. Feels a little bit that feels a little bit weak. Okay, the focus ring feels quite nice. Let's open this guy up. Oh. Ooh. Can you take a look at this? Wow, that looks actually quite good, right? Let's put it here in the overhead cam. Looks really good. Let's see if it has any weather sealing gaskets or a gasket. It doesn't have a weather sealing gasket. It said made in Korea. All right. Cool. It doesn't have any weather sealing gasket, so that's a little bit of a disadvantage. Anyways, let's put the lens hood on it. Let's see how that looks. Alright, cool. Let's check how it looks on a Sony camera. Yes, here it is. It actually looks really compact. It doesn't look like a 75mm f1.8 actually. Looks more like a 50mm lens kind of lens. Alright, let's switch this up and show you the first results. Let's see if it can autofocus well. Let's go. Alright, this is how it looks from a distance. The 75mm f1.8. You can only see my face, but I think it works, right? Does it track my face properly? Let's put something in front of my face. This box, for instance. Whoop. And does it focus? Focus back on my face. On the box. Back to my face. Alright, first impressions. I don't hear a thing, so I think it works pretty well. The full review will be coming in 2 weeks or so. I'm going to use it on a full wedding day as well, so quite curious. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Here are also some example footage or example pictures, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Subscribe to the channel to see the full review in a couple of weeks. And what else I got coming? I also got this coming. The 24-105 is here on my left side. You cannot see it, but anyways, that's all. Thank you again, guys. See you in the next one. Stay safe, stay healthy, and good luck.